Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Step into a spa-like haven of serenity with this description of a minimalist bathroom bathed in creamy white, featuring modern fixtures and a graceful touch of a rounded arched doorway, color palette, creamy canvas. The room sets the stage with a backdrop of creamy white walls, ceiling, and even floor tiles. This neutral color palette creates a sense of spaciousness, light, and airiness, perfect for a minimalist aesthetic. It promotes a feeling of cleanliness and tranquility, ideal for a relaxing bath or refreshing shower. Modern touches, sleek fixtures, modern fixtures in chrome or brushed nickel finishes add a touch of contemporary flair. This includes a floating sink with clean lines and a single-lever faucet for minimalist functionality. A wall-mounted toilet with a hidden tank further reinforces the sleek aesthetic. Statement mirror, a large, rectangular mirror with a thin metal frame hangs above the sink, reflecting light and creating a sense of spaciousness. Consider an integrated medicine cabinet behind the mirror for additional storage without visual clutter. Arched elegance, a rounded arched doorway adds a touch of architectural interest and softness. This unexpected detail creates a visual intrigue that contrasts beautifully with the clean lines of the modern fixtures. Paint the arch in the same creamy white as the walls for a seamless look, or opt for a subtle accent color like pale blue or light gray for a touch of personality. Textural harmony, warm touches. While the color palette remains neutral, incorporate textural elements for added visual interest. Opt for a light wooden vanity with clean lines for a touch of warmth against the creamy white backdrop. Consider a woven basket for storing towels, adding a natural element and providing storage without bulk. Minimalist details, keep accessories to a minimum. Choose a sleek soap dish and toothbrush holder in chrome or brushed nickel to complement the fixtures. Opt for refillable dispensers in clear glass for a minimalist touch and reduced clutter. Lighting design, layered ambience. The lighting strategy complements the clean lines of the fixtures and arched doorway. Recessed lighting strategically placed throughout the ceiling provides overall illumination. Task lighting. Consider placing a wall-mounted sconce with a simple shade on either side of the mirror for additional task lighting while applying makeup or shaving. Choose sconces that match the finish of the other fixtures for a cohesive look. Overall impression. This minimalist bathroom in creamy white with a modern interior and a rounded arched doorway creates a serene and sophisticated spa-like retreat. The clean lines, simple forms, and neutral color palette evoke a sense of calmness and spaciousness. The carefully chosen textural elements and minimal accessories create a feeling of clean luxury. This bathroom is both beautiful and highly functional, perfect for those who appreciate a minimalist aesthetic and a relaxing atmosphere. Here are some compelling reasons to consider a minimalist cream white bathroom with modern furniture and rounded arched doors. Aesthetics and ambience, spa-like serenity. The creamy white color palette creates a sense of openness, light, and airiness. This promotes a feeling of cleanliness and tranquility, ideal for a relaxing bath or refreshing shower. It evokes a spa-like atmosphere, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Modern appeal. The clean lines of modern furniture, like vanities and fixtures, and the softness of rounded arched doorways create a visually appealing and contemporary space. It's a timeless design that won't go out of style quickly. Unexpected elegance. The rounded arched doorway adds a touch of architectural interest and elegance, contrasting beautifully with the clean lines of the modern elements. This unexpected detail creates a unique and visually intriguing space. Functionality and benefits, easy cleaning and maintenance. Minimalist design with clean lines means less surface area for dust and grime to accumulate. This makes cleaning and maintaining your bathroom a breeze. Spacious feel. The light and airy color scheme, combined with the clean lines, makes even a small bathroom feel larger and more spacious. Promotes relaxation. The clean lines and neutral colors create a calming and serene atmosphere, perfect for a relaxing bath or shower routine. Focus on essentials. minimalism encourages you to focus on essential furniture and fixtures, minimizing clutter and creating a more organized and peaceful space. Additional considerations: storage solutions. While minimalism emphasizes a clean look, consider built-in storage solutions like vanities with drawers or wall-mounted shelves to keep toiletries and towels organized without sacrificing the minimalist aesthetic. Lighting design. A well-planned lighting scheme is crucial. Utilize recessed lighting for general illumination and sconces for task lighting near the mirror. Dimmer switches allow for adjustable ambience, creating a calming atmosphere. Quality over quantity. Invest in high-quality, well-made fixtures and furniture that will last longer and complement the minimalist aesthetic. A minimalist cream white bathroom with modern furniture and rounded arched doors offers a perfect blend of aesthetics and functionality. It creates a serene, spacious, and modern bathroom environment that promotes relaxation and minimizes clutter. This design is ideal for those who appreciate a clean aesthetic, a clutter-free space, and a spa-like experience in their own home. Here's a roadmap to transform your bathroom into a minimalist haven in creamy white, featuring modern furniture and the elegance of a rounded arched doorway. 1. Assess your space and needs. Measure up. Grab a tape measure and sketch a detailed layout of your bathroom. Include dimensions of walls, windows, if any, the existing toilet placement, plumbing locations, and the doorway. This will help you plan furniture placement efficiently and ensure everything fits comfortably. Declutter ruthlessly. Minimalism thrives on less. Donate or discard toiletries, cleaning supplies, and other bathroom items you no longer need or use. This will free up space, minimize visual clutter, and contribute to the clean aesthetic. 2. Creating the creamy canvas. Walls, ceiling, and floor. Choose a creamy white paint shade for the walls, ceiling, and consider using the same color for floor tiles. Flat paint finishes are ideal for a minimalist look, as they minimize imperfections and create a smooth, clean appearance. Opt for a slightly warmer white if you have cool-toned fixtures to create a more balanced feel. Arched elegance. Here's how to handle the doorway. Existing arched doorway. If you have an existing arched doorway, celebrate it. Ensure it's properly aligned and consider painting it in the same creamy white as the walls for a seamless flow. Creating arches. If your doorway is rectangular, explore options for creating rounded arches. Depending on your budget and DIY skills, consider framing techniques with drywall. This requires carpentry skills and may necessitate professional help. Prefabricated arch kits. These are readily available online or at home improvement stores and offer a simpler DIY option. 3. Selecting modern furniture and fixtures. Focus on essentials. Choose the essential elements: a vanity, toilet, and either a bathtub or shower stall. Opt for clean lines and simple forms in modern styles. Wall-mounted toilets and floating vanities with drawers maximize space and contribute to a minimalist look. Material matters. Select materials that complement the creamy white walls. Consider light-colored wood vanities for warmth, sleek countertops in quartz or solid surface materials, and chrome or brushed nickel finishes for fixtures. Storage solutions. While minimalism emphasizes a clean look, incorporate hidden storage solutions. Opt for vanities with drawers and consider built-in wall shelves or cabinets in the same creamy white shade as the walls for organized storage without visual clutter. 4. Lighting for ambience. Layered approach. Plan a layered lighting scheme. Recessed lighting strategically placed throughout the ceiling provides overall illumination without cluttering the space. Task lighting. Consider placing wall-mounted sconces with simple shades on either side of the mirror for task lighting while applying makeup or shaving. Choose sconces that match the finish of the other fixtures for a cohesive look. 5. Textural touches and minimalist details. Warm touches, optional. While minimalism emphasizes clean lines, consider incorporating a touch of warmth. Opt for a small wooden stool or a woven basket for towels to add a textural element. Minimalist accessories. Keep accessories to a minimum. Choose sleek soap dishes and toothbrush holders in chrome or brushed nickel to complement the fixtures. Opt for refillable dispensers in clear glass for a minimalist touch and reduced clutter. Consider placing a small potted plant on a windowsill for a touch of greenery, if you have a window. Bonus tips: inspiration boards. Create a mood board on Pinterest or gather magazine clippings to visualize your dream bathroom. Focus on minimalist bathrooms with creamy white palettes, modern furniture, and rounded arched doorways for inspiration. Start small, don't overwhelm yourself. Begin with painting the walls, decluttering, and updating the fixtures. Gradually add furniture and accessories over time. Consult a professional. Optional: consider consulting a bathroom designer, especially if your space is complex or challenging. They can provide valuable advice on layout optimization, storage solutions, and seamlessly incorporating the rounded archway element. Remember, this is your personal bathroom retreat. Design a space that reflects your style and promotes a clean and serene atmosphere. Breathe life into the room with carefully chosen textures, a touch of greenery, if possible, and minimal accessories that bring you joy. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.